Happy Saturday, friends. So today I'm going to show you a quick DIY on how I made these really cute gold foiled vases for my mantle. I made 5 of them. They're all made out of dollar store supplies, and I'm going to show you really quickly how I did it. They were super easy and I think they look amazing. So let's show you what we did. Okay, so the supplies that you're going to need to make these really cute vases are, first of all, you're going to need some liquid gold leaf. Now this came from Hobby Lobby. It's the number 6110. It's the classic gold liquid gold leaf, or it's liquid leaf is the brand. I think it was like $5.99, and then I had a 40% off coupon for it. But a little of this goes a long way. You're gonna use a couple of different brushes. Both brushes I used have like a flat tip. So this is a little small flat tip brush. It is a number 2. I don't know if that makes a difference. And then this is a little bit larger of a flat tip brush, and I think this one is the number, this is a 1 inch. That's a 1 inch, and this is probably like 1/8 of an inch. Either some wire clips. I actually just started, I bought one of these. It is a pet toenail clipper, but it works really, really well for the faux flower stem. And then just an arrangement of flowers. I like these package roses from the Dollar Tree. I find that these ones are much more realistic looking. They're these ones right here. I bought quite a few packets of these because I'm going to use these throughout multiple arrangements in my house for Valentine's Day. And then just some other random picks of roses. I did a darker pink, a lighter pink, and then some smaller little pink. I don't know what these ones are, like little mini roses. So just a little arrangement of stuff. Oh, I also have this one too. It's like a red colored baby's breath. I kind of like to use a lot of different flowers. That's how I find the flowers look best, is if you use like an arrangement of different stuff together, especially when you're using dollar store flowers. I think they look nicer when you're mixing and matching. If you have any like little bits of greenery left over for Christmas, you can kind of stick one of those in there as well. In addition, you're also going to need some vases. Now I've already painted these ones, but these are just the dollar store vases. They're like a small dollar store vase. This is a round like fishbowl style vase, and then that is the candlestick. So this is the candlestick right here, and what I will be doing is I'll be gluing this little fishbowl vase right to that with some Gorilla Glue. You will need some sort of a paint thinner for this because it is not like a washable liquid. This stuff dries super fast. That's one thing you need to know. So you need to somewhat work quickly with it. So basically all you do is, I just painted this right on with this one right here, I used the small brush for, and I just dipped it and I just painted the top portion gold, and then I painted this little ring around the bottom portion. And the fishbowl, I just did a little edge around the top of the fishbowl. This was dry probably within 5 minutes. It dries super fast. Then for the other vases, I used the larger paintbrush, and I basically just did it by hand. You could tape it off if you wanted to, but I kind of liked that look, that it was just kind of like not completely perfect. And I just dipped the larger brush in, and then I just made a strip all the way around. And then this one right here, I did the same thing just by hand. I just painted the bottom, like a ring around the bottom portion. Another tip for using fake flowers is to have them at different height, and I also like varying flowers. So I usually start with the larger ones first. I'll put the larger ones in, and I'll clip one really long, one medium, and one shorter so that they kind of sit so that you can see all 3. And then I'll fill in the other spots with varying heights of like accent flowers. Kind of like this one, I put like a little 3-piece in the front, a little spray of the like red colored baby's breath, and then the other little rosebuds kind of in the back. So this is what they look like on my mantle. I think they're just simple and elegant, not too over the top, just a little bit of gold. I'm going to be decorating with a lot of that gold foil for Valentine's Day. We have a Valentine's Day party that we're going to be having here within the next couple weeks. So I am really trying to pump out the Valentine's Day DIY decorations between now and then. So hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, easy dollar store tutorial, and make sure you check back for more videos to come. Have a great day, guys.